it is time to level up. Let's do this! Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new episode. Welcome back to the series. You know how in my last vlog I said I'm going to be going all in? I'm sure you do. You obviously watch all my videos, right? Well, surprisingly, things aren't going according to plan. Just when I thought nothing else is gonna bother me and I can really put my foot on the gas, my parents wanted to go on a trip with the entire family. So during Christmas, we went to Coorg. It was a 3-day trip where I couldn't work out, I couldn't get my steps in because we were either in the resort or we were on the road. We did trek for a bit every morning, but that was pretty much it. And to make things worse, guys, Coorgi food is amazing. So yeah, I'm guessing you know how that went. And you think it ends here? No. It only gets better. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and a lot of our friends have come down from the US and the UK. And guess what? They want to go out and do something. And the best part, I can't say no. I cannot say no. You know what I've realized in this journey, guys, this year especially? The next time I do this series, and if I'm in India, I'm gonna do it after New Year's. Because before it, it's just so damn tough, mainly because of all the holidays and the festivals. Like, I have gone from this to this in 4 months in the past, but again, this was in the US. And even though I've made decent amount of progress this year, I know I could have done much better if I just had more control of everything that was happening around me. Anyway, lesson learned, what's done is done. I will extend the series if I have to, but I am just gonna keep going. You know when I said we are going out tomorrow for New Year's Eve? I was wrong. We're going out today and tomorrow. Yeah. Cheers!
You want to serve it for us or?
What is that? What is that?
Kashmiri naan portion. Fish kebab, served with saffron butter naan, and this is walnut dip, Kashmir style green chutney.
Wow.
Going to Kanyakumari. There's so many places in the city. I want to go outside there. You're exactly talking like my mom. There's so many places here. Where do you want to go there? Today.
Baby, take it. Love me. Come on, rude boy, can you give it up?
It's very different.
It looks exactly like egg.
Yeah, it does look like egg yolk.
Hey, good morning, guys. It is December 31st. Yesterday, we were pretty much out the entire day with one of our very close friends who came down from California. Today, a few more friends of ours are going to join us. We have booked a B&B. not the one we wanted. We were looking for a private villa or a farmhouse, but they were all pretty much booked out. We literally started looking for one about 2 days ago, so we were kind of late on our part, which is why we just had to book whatever was available. So the plan for today is to go out for dinner, a nice brewery, spend some time there. Again, we haven't made any reservations yet, so I'm not sure how that's gonna pan out. But worst case, if nothing works out, we get some nice food, some drinks, and just party in the B&B. That is the plan for today. And in terms of my diet, it wasn't the best yesterday. Today, tomorrow, it's not gonna get any better. And I'm just tired. I don't want to think about it anymore. I've ranted enough about it. I'm just gonna be conscious and mindful wherever I possibly can the next 2 days, and most importantly, just have a good time. And finally, I want to end this section or this video here by wishing each and every one of you a very happy new year. I hope you guys have a great year ahead, and just, yeah, thank you for supporting me, thank you for supporting this series, and thank you for supporting this channel.
Happy New Year!
Baby, when you see me coming, yeah, you better run for cover.